looking for sharp, you fit still carry last and still pay much more than you should have. Went for NIN and I paid for Express, Macanodi more say so. Others are paying 2K, I paid 6K, right? Turns out that when you pay Express, they will delay your shit. Let me cast them hard out to DBA. Delay your shit, and after you risked your life going on the road to go and maybe go to the bank to try and open an account, or go to office to try and register or unbar your SIM, and it obviously didn't work because they've not uploaded your shit. You now risk your life again, your money, your time, your energy, after like a week, all the Kwagyo says so before, to go back to the NIN office for validation. Validation is basically a scam where you pay 3K and they will just tell you, oh yeah, now be going now, the thing will work out now, and then they will now pattern it. Instead of you to take your time and grow your own mmuo, you rush and kill Efi for DBR's mmuo. To layer. Well, use my music as your Igbo tutorial. Yagazi.